No. Time to play. Go walk, walk. You walk. Wow! Are you ready for school? Let's brush your hair. Let's comb your materials for our play. Hello guys! Bili ako ng additional Dudong, are you ready for school? What's this? Wow, beautiful fashion. Purple.
It's too big for me.
Isn't that for a girl?
Big for me.
The color is like for a girl.
It's too big for me.
It's too big?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need another one. I have another one.
Which one?
In the garage.
For boys?
Yeah. It's blue.
Blue. You're so handsome with your hairstyle. I like your hairstyle. You look like Dr. Jose Rizal.
Yeah.
Ayaw!
I wanna be
Ayaw!
the doctor.
Okay. You don't even know who is Dr. Jose Rizal. You look like a pilot.
Now?
Yeah. Because he wants to be a pilot.
A pilot.
What would you like to be when you grow up? You want to be a
Jet plane fly.
jet plane pilot.
Jet plane pilot.
Yeah.
I like how jet plane.
Mhm.
It's my favorite.
What do you
In GTE.
like in GTA? So you're playing GTA, yeah?
Yeah.
You're playing GTA with Papa.
Yeah.
There is the girl, the baby girl.
Look, it's that.
Is dog babu?
It's inside the house.
Baka. My big baby. My big baby is already going to school.
The bang bang.
Have fun at school, Kuya.
Okay.
See you later. You found his water? Okay, hatid lang ni Dimitri si Yuri sa kanyang classroom. Punta na kami dyan sa may market. Malapit lang yung market dito sa school ni Yuri actually. Malapit na mga 5 minutes na lang or 3 minutes. And then kung makakita ako ng mga halaman doon na pwedeng itanim doon sa amin, especially doon sa may fence namin na malapit sa fence, yung mga climbing plants, gusto kong bumili ng ganon para umakyat siya doon sa aming fence and makover para mag-green lahat yun. Hopefully, baka may masuggest kayo sa amin guys na mga climbing plants yung umaakyat sa at nag-spread na mag-spread siya sa wall or sa fence namin. Baka may masuggest kayo, comment down below. May maganda daw ilagay yung garlic vines ba yun? Basta and baka may masuggest kayo na iba na mga vines na tanim para maitanim namin doon sa aming fence around the lot. And yeah, baka may masuggest kayo. Comment nyo yung pangalan dito sa comment section para mahanap ko dito sa amin. Okay, let's go to Malatapay Flea Market. Nano na namin si Yuri na drop off na. Balikan namin siya mamaya. We arrived. So Ito ang Malatapay Flea Market dito sa Maluway, Zamboanguita, Negros Oriental. Every Wednesday ang market day nila dito. Dito kami usually bumibili ng mga gulay kasi mas mura at mas maraming fresh lalo na pag maaga pa. Bibili ako ngayon ng mga kamatis, carrots at patatas. Marami pa akong fresh na naabutan kasi maaga pa. 90 pesos ang per kilo ng kamatis ngayon. Actually, medyo bumaba kumpara nung isang linggo kasi nung isang linggo mga 120 yata yung bili ko dun sa isang market. Maghahanap lang ako ng mga fresh na pipino. Yan dito may nakita ako na pipino at cauliflower, mga fresh pa. Bili din ako ng cauliflower for baby Mia at kay Kuya Yuri. Di na ako bibili ng mga dahon like malunggay, talbos ng kamote or alubati kasi marami na kaming tanim doon sa bahay. Bili ako ng squid. Pila to, te? May nakita din akong fresh na malaking pusit kaya bumili na rin ako ng isa lang. Medyo mahal nga lang pero okay lang, minsan lang naman to. Parang ang sarap kasi kumain ngayon ng adobo. This is the real squid. This is what we saw when we dived in Darwin. I saw like that big squid when we went scuba diving. All right, that's it. I think that's it. Or I will buy sticky rice. Yuri wants sticky rice.
Buy eggs.
Yeah, and eggs. They have fresh eggs.
Pilit na, tag-cheese.
Saka, Andre. Bili kami ng ganito, lagay namin malapit sa aming fence. And bougainvillea. Maybe at the entrance we can put somewhere near our entrance. Both sides, yeah, at our main entrance. Luyo ra, luyo. Bili ako ng additional bougainvillea para sa aming fence. Some parts, yung ibang parts na aming fence, lagyan ko ng bougainvillea. Pila tanan? 1,000. Alright, we're going home. Tingnan niyo ang aming likod, puno ng tanim. Ay, may mga na-meet pala kaming subscribers dito kanina. Galing silang, Los Angeles, California, USA. And nagpa-picture din kami sa kanila. Shout out. Maraming salamat sa inyo, ma'am and sir, sa manonood. Si Mr. and Mrs. Teves from dito sila sa Pinas, taga Zamboanguita din sila, Negros Oriental. Maraming salamat po sa pag-support sa amin dyan. And thank you for approaching us here sa market. Okay, we're going home na. Pick up na lang natin din si Yuri mamaya. Medyo mainit na. Hindi na muna kami uuwi ng bahay pala. Magkakape na lang kami dito sa may cafe malapit sa lungsod. Kasi malapit na rin naman ang out ni Yuri. Nandito kami ngayon sa the Softball Cafe sa Darwin. Meron silang pickleball na court dito pero hindi kami maglalaro. Hindi kami marunong. Napakasikat din ng pickleball na dito sa aming probinsya. Kami na lang yata ang hindi pa marunong maglaro nito. Let's make a court like gagawa kami ng pickleball court sa amin. Ang ganda ng cafe nila. Meron din sila ditong play area for the kiddos. Si Yuri gusto niya maglaro dito. Nice. You also have ice. They are ready for Valentine's Day here. This is our Valentine's Day advance. It's 11 now. February 11. So this is our advance Valentine's Day. Look at their symbol. Pickle paddle board. What do you call that? Pickle paddle. Ma is having cappuccino and I'm gonna be having this matcha mango matcha latte. Nag-order si Dimitri ng salad, omelette, na may omelette. Hello guys, si Dimitri gusto niyang basahin ko to. May sinulat siya dito na Russian word in cursive. And gusto niyang basahin ko to. Paano yan basahin? Is this a real word really? Oh, jeez. Literally, but in cursive it's really difficult to read. This is the cursive version.
It's E. So together.
In cursive, it's like that. Alright, time to pick up our little boy. Ano na ang oras ngayon? 10:49. Matatapos siya in 10 minutes. 10:50 na. So 11 ang out nila. Wow, a beautiful sunny day.
Where is backpack?
Asa imong bag? Bye-bye na, teacher. Bye na, thank you.
Teacher, bye!
Busy si teacher, let's go. Careful, kuya. Careful. Careful. You're gonna destroy your bag. Yeah. Surprise! So many plants here. There's no space for you here. Maybe you go. Maybe you move this.
And I'm hungry
Ay. Ayan, na i-deliver na yung in-order namin kahapon ng mga
What is that for? Blast?
You want to use
additional
this one,
materials.
For what?
No, not now.
For what, Mama? Mama,
Materials for our fence.
for what? Perfect.
Yes.
We're gonna make a field.
It's for the gate. Order. Yeah.
We're gonna make a farm.
At ayan, nakauwi na kami ng bahay. Dinala ko lang yung pusit dito sa may kubo para ipaluto ko sa kapatid ko. Ayan, nag-video-video pa ang kapatid ko. Parang gusto din yatang mag-vlogger nito. Yung kapatid ko pala guys ay kasama siya, nagtatrabaho din siya dito. Tinutulungan niya si Papa na mag-install ng aming bakod nga. At sinusuldoan ko rin siya kasi mag-aaral pa siya. Actually, mag-aaral siya dito sa Negros Oriental daw. Kukuha siya ng engineering. So, at least makakasave siya ng pera before siya mag-aaral. Nag-aaral na sana to siya ng criminology pero nabago yung isip niya. Gusto niya nang mag-engineering na lang. So, nag-stop siya this year. And nag-ipon ng pera. Mag-enroll siya ng engineering dito sa Negros Oriental sa may Norsu. At sana, hopefully, makapasa siya. Kaya pinatrabaho ko nga siya dito. Sinildoan ko din siya para makasave siya ng pera sa kanyang. Para sa kanyang baon, mga project someday. And ayan na yung mga additional materials na binili namin para sa gagawing septic tank, bagong septic tank. And may binili din kami ng mga materials para sa aming bakod. Baka! Baka nandyan sa lalim. Welcome back. Baby sis been waiting. O ayan. Yung kamay niya, tama? Tingnan yung kamay niya. Nakapasok. Naghanap ng dede. We are back!
My clothes!
She just borrowed for a while. Baby sis is borrowing your t-shirt. You want duyan, baby? Magduyan daw siya. Oh, look, Auntie Abloy, wash your clothes. No, beautiful mountain. Look at our cat. So funny, so cute. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Mama. You want milk? You want milk? Say mama. Can you say mama? My pretty girl. Si Mia, pinapadede ko dito sa kwarto, kinakantahan ko nga siya. Kaso ayaw matulog ng bata, gusto lang magdede. Sabi ni mama, hindi pa daw to nagnap kanina. Nasa stage na si Mia ngayon na isang beses na lang magnap sa isang araw. Nagsisimula na rin pala siyang maglakad-lakad ng mga ilang steps. So, sobrang happy namin. A itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Arriving at the kitchen. Look at Mia's yummy snacks. Healthy carrot stick. Carrot. Fresh carrot. Not cooked. It's raw. More healthy. She likes it. Gusto niya ang carrot. Same with Yuri. Kumakain sila ng hilaw na carrots. Yummy! Yummy? Yummy carrot? Kuya, yo. Don't annoy the baby. Give her one more. Oh, yeah. Be gentle to your sister. Ayan, ang yummy squid. Naluto na. Pinaluto ko doon sa kubo kay mama. Ay, sa kapatid ko pala. Kapatid ko ang nagluto nito. Yummy. Yan ang mga vegetables na binili namin. Kamatis, carrots, atchal. At pa mga pipino. Cauliflower for the kids. And pipino. And na. Asa atong kamuti? Broccoli. Ito ang broccoli. Kamuti. Broccoli also for especially for the kids. Yan, ang sarap ng aming kain sa adobong pusit. Masarap talaga ang fresh na adobong pusit at lalo na sa kahoy pa niluto. Mas mabango at mas malasa talaga. Nag-lunch kaming dalawa ni Dimitri. Yung mga bata, kumain na. Si Mia, pinakain na kanina. And si Yuri din, una nang kumain. Playtime with baby girl! And playtime. Time to play. Go walk, walk. You walk. Wow! Wow! Naka-step siya kausa. One step only. Ala. Welcome to Mia's crib. Brrr, yes, this is brrr. Kuya's garbage truck. Asa naman ang mga garbage ni Kuya? Right. Wow! Nice. There. Purple. Blue. Crown princess. Wow, beautiful girl. No, ball. Ball. It's a ball. The cow says, moo, moo. Here's the cow. Let's brush your hair. Let's comb your hair. Cute pud-an. Come on, lizard. Ah, you're scared. Are you scared of this? Don't be. It's okay. No need to be scared. Hold it. No. There. Here. Again. Put. Ay! You don't like. Ah, no, no. Okay, here lang. Look, Mia, look. Look. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There. Bye-bye. Alright everyone, maglalaro lang kami ng baby girl dito. Thank you so much everyone for watching this vlog. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and write a comment below. And sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. Magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod na vlog. Bye! Come here.